Hello from the American Muscle Car Museum right here in sunny Melbourne, Florida. Today out from the collection we have one of the iconic first generation Camaros in a 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 coupe. These are extremely popular, and the first generation Camaros range from 1967 the first year, 1968 and 1969. They're available with many options, trim levels and performance packages. You could get anywhere from a 6-cylinder to a 396. And even later on, you could get some of the Yanko, Dana, and Berger Chevrolet where they're installing 427s in them. New additions for 68 was the Astro ventilation. The side windows were one-piece glass and the vent windows deleted. And then they had the government-mandated side marker lights. The Z28 package was 10 times more popular in 1968 than in 1967, selling just a shade over 7,100 units. Part of that package where the Z28 was developed was to compete in Trans Am racing. They had to stay under 305 cubic inches. These cars came with a 302 cubic inch, 290 horse, 11-to-1 compression, aluminum high-rise, poly carburetor, and with a little modifications that horsepower would go way up. And these would go into a manual 4-speed that was a Muncie M21 shifted by a Hurst shifter. Power to the ground was a 12-bolt positive traction. Improvements for 68 was they used a multi-leaf leaf spring and also staggered the shocks to try to eliminate some of the wheel hop from the previous year. As we come to the exterior, this is done in a Matador Red, which looks great on this car. It really stands out with the white stripes on the trunk and on the hood. This also has the front and rear spoilers. This car does not have the cowl induction hood, which was not part of the Z28 package. That was actually an add-on. And as we come to the interior, this is done in a black deluxe interior, white houndstooth inserts in it. Also new for 1968 was a newly designed console. This has been an 8-time Super Chevy Class Winner. This has been a magazine feature car, and also at the GM Nationals, this scored 980 points out of 1,000. We had this car in for annual maintenance. We have it out today for our photo and video project. For more information on this car and all the other cars in the collection, please visit our website, our Facebook page, our YouTube channel, and our Instagram. It's been a pleasure to share this car with you today, and thank you for watching.